Mitochondria. Mito means thread, chondrion means granule. So, mitochondria are the scattered minute particles in the cell in the form of rod, ovoid or thread-like bodies. Definition: mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells that produce adenosine triphosphate ATP, the main energy molecule used by the cell. We can also define the double membrane cell organelle of eukaryotic cell associated with Krebs cycle in aerobic respiration is called mitochondria. Here diagrammatic picture of mitochondria. This is outermost membrane, this is innermost, this is intermembrane space, cristae, matrix, ribosome, mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondria found in both animal and plant cell, but in prokaryotic cell they are absent. What is the size of mitochondria? 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter. So it is very tiny. We can see it through electron microscope. Structure of mitochondria. The outer membrane and the inner membrane are made up of protein and phospholipid layers separated by the intermembrane space. Outer membrane covers the surface of the mitochondrion and has a large number of special protein known as purines. The inner membrane of mitochondria is rather complex in structure. It has many folds that form a layer structure called cristae. Here the structure of cristae. Outer membrane is freely permeable to ions, nutrient molecules, ADP and ATP molecules. The inner membrane is strictly permeable only to oxygen and to ATP molecules. The mitochondrial matrix is a viscous fluid that contains a mixture of enzyme and proteins. Matrix also comprises ribosomes, inorganic ions, mitochondrial DNA, nucleotide cofactors and organic molecules. The enzyme present in matrix play an important role in synthesis of ATP molecules. What is the function of mitochondria? The most important function of mitochondria is to produce energy through the process of oxidative phosphorylation. Other functions are there: regulates the metabolic activity of the cell, promotes the growth of new cell and cell multiplication, help in detoxifying ammonia in the liver cell, plays an important role in apoptosis or programmed cell death. It is a very important question. Why are mitochondria called powerhouse of cell? Why are mitochondria called the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria are the cell organelles that are responsible for producing ATP, the energy currency of cells. So, mitochondria called powerhouse of the cell. What is cristae? The inner membrane of mitochondria has many folds. These folds form a layered structure called cristae. You can see here the cristae. Here the cristae. Next, matrix. A mitochondrial matrix is a viscous fluid containing a mixture of enzyme, ribosome, inorganic ions, mitochondrial DNA, nucleotide cofactors and organic molecules.